Imagine being able to shape your reality, to bring into existence your deepest desires and dreams. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's the core of the law of attraction, a powerful philosophy suggesting that we can attract into our lives whatever we're focusing on. The concept might sound mystical, yet it has roots that go deep into history, intertwined with both ancient wisdom and modern interpretations. Despite its popularity, there are still many misconceptions about how it works and what it can do for us. Today, we're diving into the basics, debunking myths, and sharing real-life stories of transformation. This journey into the law of attraction isn't just about understanding. It's about applying this knowledge to create a life filled with more joy, success, and fulfillment. Now let's dive into the heart of manifesting your desires faster than ever before. There's a secret technique whispered about among those who've seen astonishing changes in their lives. This isn't about wishful thinking, it's a practical approach that, when applied, can dramatically speed up the process of turning your dreams into reality. This method isn't complex, but it's powerful. It requires clarity, focus, and a certain way of thinking and acting that aligns perfectly with your goals. People from all walks of life who have applied this technique share incredible stories of how quickly they were able to manifest their desires. Comparing it to traditional methods, this approach cuts through the noise, offering a direct path to your aspirations. It's about making the law of attraction work for you at an accelerated pace. Imagine for a moment what it would be like to see the results of your manifestation efforts not in years, but in months, weeks, or even days. Now we're stepping into a realm where the ordinary meets the extraordinary, unveiling the technique that has been called the ultimate in manifesting desires. This method isn't just another step, it's a leap forward in understanding how we can use the law of attraction more effectively. Here we break down this technique, supported by scientific insights and backed by those who've mastered the art of manifestation. This approach is more than just theory. It's about practical steps that can lead to real, tangible outcomes. We'll guide you through each phase, showing not just how to start, but how to maintain momentum and see results. Whether you're looking for peace, prosperity, or personal growth, understanding this method can open doors to possibilities you never imagined were within reach. And the best part, it's accessible to anyone willing to learn and apply these principles in their daily lives. Moving forward, we explore a groundbreaking concept: how to triple the speed of your manifestation. Imagine having not one but 3 unique techniques at your fingertips, each designed to amplify your ability to manifest. These aren't just random methods, they work together, creating a synergy that accelerates the process of turning thoughts into reality. Whether you're new to this or have been practicing the law of attraction for years, these techniques offer fresh insights. We'll guide you through how to apply each one, ensuring you understand the best scenarios for their use. Plus, we'll share tips tailored for both beginners and those more advanced in their manifestation journey. This is about taking your manifestation to the next level, faster than you thought possible. Now, we venture into an exciting aspect of manifestation: the ability to turn dreams into reality, potentially overnight. This part of our journey focuses on the concept of rapid manifestation, exploring how preparation and the right mindset can set the stage for swift changes in our lives. We discuss the importance of being ready, both mentally and physically, for the changes we seek. It's not just about wishing harder. It's about creating a conducive environment for those wishes to take root and grow quickly. We'll also touch on realistic expectations because, While rapid manifestation is possible, understanding its limits ensures we remain grounded and focused. Success stories serve as inspiration, showing that rapid changes aren't just possible, they happen more often than we might think. As we delve deeper into our exploration of manifestation, we uncover the diversity and power of 7 key methods designed to help us fulfill our desires. Each method brings its own unique approach, offering a range of options to suit different preferences and life situations. This part of our journey is about expanding our toolkit, understanding that there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to manifestation. We explore how these methods can work in harmony, enhancing each other to create a more potent effect. It's also about personalization, recognizing that each individual's path to manifesting their desires is unique. By tailoring these methods to our own needs and incorporating them into our daily routines, we empower ourselves to manifest more effectively and efficiently. From visual techniques to verbal affirmations, from the simplicity of written intentions to the active pursuit of our goals, this comprehensive overview ensures that we're well equipped to tackle any challenge on our manifestation journey. In this part of our exploration, we face the inevitable challenges that arise on the path to manifesting our desires. It's crucial to recognize that along the way, we're bound to encounter obstacles, both within ourselves and from the world around us. These can range from doubts and fears that cloud our mindset to external factors that seem to stand in our way. But the good news is, these obstacles aren't roadblocks. They're stepping stones. We'll share strategies for identifying these common blocks, whether they're beliefs that hold you back or situations that seem out of your control. More importantly, we'll guide you through practical techniques to overcome them. This includes shifting your perspective, cultivating resilience, and creating a supportive environment that nurtures your ability to manifest. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and overcoming these obstacles is a vital step in your manifestation journey. Now we turn our focus to the power of visualization and positive affirmations, 2 potent tools in our manifestation toolkit. Visualization is not just about dreaming or wishing. It's a focused practice that involves seeing what you want to manifest as if it's already here. This technique is grounded in science, with studies showing how visualization activates the same neural networks that actual actions do. Alongside, positive affirmations reinforce our belief in our ability to make our dreams a reality. These aren't just feel-good phrases. They're a way to reprogram our thoughts, to align more closely with our goals. We'll explore how to craft and use affirmations effectively, making them a daily habit. Incorporating these practices into your routine can significantly enhance your manifestation efforts, creating a rich inner world that mirrors the life you wish to create externally. Taking action is where the power of manifestation truly comes to life. It's one thing to dream and visualize, but without action, those dreams stay in the realm of imagination. This part of our journey emphasizes the critical step of aligning our actions with our intentions. It's about making tangible moves that bring us closer to our goals, whether it's a small step taken today or a series of actions planned out for the coming weeks. We share inspiring examples of individuals who have manifested their desires into reality through determined action. These stories aren't just motivational, they're a roadmap. They show us how combining visualization with proactive steps can break through inertia and turn potential into reality. It's also a reminder to tackle procrastination head-on, ensuring that the path to our dreams isn't blocked by our own hesitations. This is about moving, doing, and becoming an active participant in the manifestation of our lives. As we close this journey, it's vital to pause and reflect on the power of gratitude in our manifestation process. Recognizing and appreciating the steps we've taken and the progress we've made enriches our journey and magnifies what we attract. Gratitude is not just a practice, it's a state of being that opens us up to receive more of what life has to offer. It's about seeing the value in every experience, acknowledging the growth in every challenge, and cherishing the achievements along the way. This approach doesn't just enhance our ability to manifest, it transforms our entire life experience, fostering a deep sense of fulfillment and joy. So, as we move forward, let's carry this spirit of gratitude with us, using it to fuel our journey towards realizing our dreams. And remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards the life you desire. If you found value in this journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights and guidance on living a life filled with purpose, abundance, and happiness.